everyone, my name is Yo. Today, our group is gonna show you our term project about comparing two proportion. Comparing two proportion is a method to test whether one proportion is equal to another one or not. So, our group is going to do the test about how people think when the opposite gender who you are not really close with talk with you by using bad words. We assume that the proportion of men who is feeling okay is more than women. Now, let's take a look at the example of the situation you might get.
เฮ้ยมึง
How do you feel if opposite gender talking to you? If you feel that it's okay this side, not okay this side.
Okay. For me, I think it's okay when opposite gender use a rude word to me.
Why?
Because I'm a rude boy. Yeah.
It is okay
Why?
because it's a normal thing, and you don't have to put a gender into this kind of things. Like it's equal for both men and women to say anything they want to. It's a free land, and free speech is quite a good thing in our society.
One, two, three. Why?
Okay, I think it's normal because my friends always do that, and I think it's okay.
She's so rude. Why?
I don't think it's uncomfortable for me, and I find that it's okay for me because I always curse to my boyfriends all the time. In my opinion, it's not okay for me because I graduated from girls' school and it's not right to say rude word to the girl, my friend. But if the boy say rude for me, it's not ordinary for me.
One, two, three. Why?
Because I think it's kind of a communication with friends. That means we are very close to each other.
Okay. Why?
If he is handsome, everything is okay. Yeah. Okay.
Why?
Because I think if they say that, it might help our relationship to be closer.
This is a table that represents our survey. There are two headers. The first one is gender, which is categorized into man and woman. And the second one is a feeling, which is categorized in okay and not okay. Problems of our interest is does the proportion of men feeling okay is more than the proportion of women feeling okay. For men population, we let P1 stands for okay proportion, N1 stands for size of sample, and the last one, R1, stands for the number of successes. And we let P hat 1 equal to R1 divided by N1 and Q hat 1 equal to 1 minus P hat 1. The corresponding meaning are attached to P2, N2, R2, P hat 2, and Q hat 2 for women population. Here we have two independent samples. R1's distribution is binomial N1, P1, and R2 distribution is binomial N2, P2. And the point estimate of P1 minus P2 is P hat 1 minus P hat 2, which is R1 divided by N1 minus R2 divided by N2. Firstly, we have to set null and alternative hypothesis. Let P1 be proportion of men who feel okay, and P2 be proportion of women who feel okay. So the null hypothesis will be P1 minus P2 less than or equal to 0, and alternative hypothesis will be P1 minus P2 more than 0. Secondly, because of k equal to 0, we calculate the full proportion, and we found out that the full proportion is equal to 0.53, and the Q bar is equal to 0.47. Third, we found out that N1 P bar, N2 P bar, N1 Q bar, and N2 Q bar more than 5. So we can use CLT to obtain sampling distribution for P hat 1 minus P hat 2. Fourth, the test statistic is CSAT equal to 2.84336, which has normal distribution. Then we find critical value with alpha equal to 0.05 according to the alternative hypothesis, which is P1 more than P2. So we looked up for a right tail test in standard normal distribution table, and the critical value is 1.645. Since 2.8436 is more than 1.645, so we reject the null hypothesis, or we can use p-value method. From the z-table, we found out that the p-value is about 0.0023, and since 0.0023 is less than 0.05, then we reject as 0. Finally, we can conclude that there is enough evidence to conclude that the proportion of men who feel okay is more than the proportion of women who feel okay at 0.05 significance level.